Hello guys, this is a mango which looks very nice and it's very much delicious to eat, and it is so sweet to taste, and we can take it in many ways. If you want to eat it in a different way, so let's try to make it in a different way. Just this mango, we will shake it such a way, and we can see it's gonna be soft very much, and it would be very much tasty to eat, and we can rejoice with this, and it will be cheers. Or this mango is not only known to Bangladesh but also all over the world. It's known as a fruit, namely mango. So there are many kinds of fruits all over the world, but easily we can get it in Bangladesh and we can have it to eat. So let's try to eat when we make a hole here, and you see there is a hole, and from here it's come out juice, mango juice, so we can have it very much easily. So let's try. You see, it's guys, if you eat such a way, you can feel it amazing. You see, it's very much interesting. So try to follow this to eat mango such a way. You will feel that you are eating sweet or honey. Such kind of amazing moment you can feel it.